Hello, it's Steph, and I have a video for you today all about the phrasal verbs with look. So, what is a phrasal verb exactly? A phrasal verb is a verb plus a preposition, but we don't call it preposition, we call it a particle, but it looks like a preposition. So, it's those two words, and sometimes there are three words that go together that make a new meaning. So, for example, we have look for, and we also have look ahead, look back, look into, um, and some other phrasal verbs with look. So, watch this video to get more fluent with your English and try to use these words in your everyday language. And at the end of the video, I have a little quiz for you so you can see if you can use these phrasal verbs correctly. Most common phrasal verbs with look. Look into. What's going on with that noise in the sink? I'm going to look into it tomorrow. So what does look into mean? It means that you're going to maybe do a little bit of research or investigate something so that you can see what's happening. So looking into something means that you want to find out what is going on or what the situation is. Look after. I have to leave for the weekend to visit my mom. Can you look after my dog for me? So what do you think look after means? Look after is like taking care of the dog, right? So if you look after a pet, or you could look after children, so this means that you're in charge of them. So you're taking care of them. Look after. Notice the pronunciation of phrasal verbs. They run together. The k and the a sound like kafter. Look forward to. I can't wait for this pandemic to be over so we can travel again. I really look forward to that time too. So look forward to, what does that mean? It means when you have some kind of anticipation, or you want or you hope for something. So looking into the future, right? And making plans. Look back on. I've had so many great times at my family reunions every other summer. The older I get, the more I look back on those times with nostalgia. So look back on. What does that mean? Maybe when you're thinking about a memory, right? And the word nostalgia means when you feel like kind of sad or happy and you have some kind of emotion about your memories. Nostalgia. So look back on. We often look back on our memories with our family or with some kind of fun time that we've had in our lives. Look out. This is usually when someone is walking across the street, or when something is happening kind of in a quick situation. Look out, there's a car coming. So this means like when you're trying to tell someone that something dangerous is going to happen, right? You say, look out. So it means like be aware or be cautioned that something might happen that's dangerous. Look up to. My mom is such an amazing woman. I really look up to her. I hope I can be as good of a mom as her. So look up to, what do you think that means? It has to do with someone in your life that you admire, someone that you really think is a good person, right? So it means that you want to be like them. You look up to them. You respect them. Look up. You need to look up new vocabulary words on Google Images to visualize the meanings. So to visualize, right? So this means like you're able to come up with a picture in your brain. So let's look at two examples. What is this a picture of? This is a valley. So if you looked up that image, right, on Google Images, you would see the word in your mind. You'd be able to visualize what a valley is. What about this picture? This is a peak. So you can see what look up means, right? When you look up new vocabulary words, look at them in Google Images if possible. So look up. This means to do some research or to find something, right? We usually use this for words or meanings or something that's happening in the news. Sometimes we do research. We have to look up different things to do research. Look down on. It's so awful how your brother-in-law treats you. I know, he really looks down on me for not having a lucrative career. So look down on, you can see that it has a negative meaning, right? Because we see here, it's so awful. So this is when the brother-in-law is treating him badly, right? So he makes him feel stupid, right, for not having a lucrative career. Lucrative means a career that makes a lot of money. Lucrative. So hopefully you don't have anybody in your life that looks down on you. Look ahead. Looking ahead at the future, I can't wait to get together with friends again and enjoy a social life without the restrictions from the pandemic. So look ahead, right? So this means thinking about the future. So it's like the opposite of look back, right? So looking ahead. So thinking about what will happen after this time, right? Maybe making plans, something like that. Look into. What happened this weekend? I don't know. The news said they were going to look into the situation to find out what caused the explosion. So can you guess what look into means? It means to find out more, right? When you look into something, you're trying to find out more information. Now let's see if you can use them in a sentence. Instructions. Stop the following slides to give yourself time to fill in the blank with the correct phrasal verb with look. Fill in the blank. My brother, me, because I don't work out at the gym very often. What do you think? My brother looks down on me because I don't work out at the gym very often. So that means that he doesn't respect him because he is lazy or something like that. You don't want to look on your life and have regrets. What do you think would go here? Look back. You don't want to look back on your life and have regrets. So that means that you want to do things that you're proud of. What do you look, or sorry, who do you look to? Who is that someone that really inspires you? So what's the correct answer here? Up, right? So someone who inspires you, that means that you admire them, you respect them. Who do you look up to? Before the test, the scientific terms that you need to memorize. So what goes here? Look up. Look up. All right, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys again soon. Let me know if you have any questions or if you have any requests for any English language learning videos, and comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.